What's up, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, YouTube? What's up? How you doing out there? I was just out today on a weekday, about 9:30 in the morning. It's a little earlier than I normally get out, but just gonna give it a shot, see what happens. You know, I know we all get asked this too on like several occasions in one day. You know, how much does an Uber driver make? You know, and it's hard to tell what the passenger means. Do they mean yearly? Do they mean weekly? What do they mean, you know? And, you know, I usually just come up with a generic answer like Uber would. Like, oh, I make decent money, you know, enough to make ends meet. But realistically, I looked at it, and I've been driving since June 2016. And when I looked at it, when taxes came around, I made $6,500 from June to December in 2016. You know, that's with the base fare and all the other booking fees and all that added on. So that's not even how much I took home. So, you know, we'll make another video about that one day, but the riders tend to like to ask how we do on, you know, how fat our wallets are. And while we're on the subject of earnings, you know, I am going to mention that I'm going to do a review on this tip jar, Tipster's tip jar. If you haven't heard of them before, you will on my video and many other rideshare driver videos. This tip jar right here might be the game changer as far as hourly earnings, if you want to say. But I'm going to implement this into my style, and I'm going to see if it actually does, you know, make me more earnings. And so stay tuned, and you'll get to see what I have in store for my riders to get tips and raise my earnings. There's some nasty weather out today, so maybe there'll be a lot of riders out and people needing rides that don't want to drive, and a lot less drivers. Alright, let me know I got you. It's still a little new to Lyft. It's a little platform here on the phone, so. Okay.
Dropping off, Alaguna.
Not dropping you off.
It says that even when you pick me up. It's weird. I'm like, what is it?
It's a little buggier than Uber, yeah.
The first couple times I was like, wait, what just happened?
It's like, when the trip ended, oh my goodness, no.
Where we going? Hold up. You know what? I'm good.
Just like, I'll get out here, yeah.
I'll just get another one. Thanks.
All right, we're on track, though. We're good to go. So have you used Lyft a lot, or do you usually use Uber?
I'd been using Uber until they were a little dumb, so then I switched over to Lyft.
Hey, I do not. I'm not going to blame you there. I'm not biased either. So, you know, I mean, well, I say that with, you know, I'm not biased either, but yeah, I know what's been going on too. So.
Yeah, so I was just like, well.
Boy, talk about a slow weekday. So it's been an hour and I've got a Lyft ride. That's it. So. You know, what are you gonna do? You gotta sit there and wait sometimes. Used to, when I would wait, I would just sit there and smoke cigarettes the whole time. But, you know, my car wouldn't smell like cigarettes, but I would, so that's no longer. Alright, so that's 2 Lyft rides now. Going to pick up my second one, and we'll see if I get tipped on that one. They have in-app tipping, so who knows? They still might want to use the tip jar. How you doing today?
Doing good.
Hey, I noticed, is that a room key one of y'all dropped or something? I noticed something fell.
Go get it.
I don't know if y'all needed it or not.
Yes. Yeah.
If y'all checked out, it might be cool. But
We're going to my house.
all right.
I love you, baby.
Do you have the app at least?
I have Lyft app and I have Uber app.
because those promo codes back there, if you don't have the app, will get you, like the Uber one is like $15 off a ride, and then the Lyft one is like $5 off a ride. And that's if you don't have the app.
Baby.
So if one of y'all doesn't have either or app, you can download them and use that code and get, down the road. Usually I just get, people just take a picture of it usually, but.
This one is $5. That's more. That's $5 off. That's $15 off. So that's more than that one. So.
Yeah, Uber gives a little more off their first riders.
Cotton Avenue was that way.
Cotton Avenue?
Yeah.
That's where you're wanting to go?
Yeah.
For some reason, it's going to turn me left on 17th. I think it's right up. I think it's right here.
Oh, you're going the back way.
Whichever way this.
Yeah,
whichever
Cotton
way this
Avenue,
way.
Southwest Birmingham,
No.
and Tuscaloosa Avenue.
That's where he's going. Yeah.
Yeah, and then just whenever you get there, just go into the gate and just pull it on on the right side,
Okay.
Oh, my phone's done.
because just let me and her out, and then we'll be right out. in
Okay.
20 minutes.
You just want me to leave it running and y'all come back out?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
My money, I need to
There is a train.
dadgum train.
Is it gonna? Do you think it'll be backed up to that other?
Mm-mm.
You don't?
No, that is a train. Hold on.
Because there's traffic that way.
Yeah, that train is longer than I think.
You think we should?
Oh, they're turning around.
You think we should go that way in this traffic and try to get back around it?
Yeah, we should. That train is too slow.
And it's it's stopped. That's not cool.
Let me at the store and so I can get a pack of cigarettes.
Yeah, there's a store right here on the right. I can
Yeah,
stop
that's what
by.
I'm saying.
Yeah, I can do
Not
that.
when we get done.
I'm not gonna get a vape.
Oh, you gotta have your seatbelt on.
I'm getting regular cigarettes. Cigarettes.
I hear you. I vape. Yeah, it keeps trying to tell me to do a U-turn. So whenever we get to y'all's turn, y'all just give me a heads up.
They're selling that car.
You want it?
No. That's like a 93 up. 93.
I'll give you a card. I'll get you a stretch Hummer.
I already got it. Okay.
You got a car at the house?
No, Chevrolet.
Get it and we want a road trip.
I can't drive it. Because it has that much tracker and the brakes are messed up. I'm almost driving it for a while. I can't drive tape. Yes, I had a seizure last night. Yeah.
So that's Uber 1, Lyft 2, or I'm sorry, Uber 1, Lyft 3, and the Uber ride that I did have was a tip, $4 tip. Thank you. Alright, so that's Lyft 3 rides, $27.83. I'm assuming that's not including tips. And Uber, we're looking at one trip at $15.25 with a $4 tip for $19.25. So that's $19.25 versus $27.83 plus possible tips. And that is going to be for 4 hours. I know that's not a very good day. It's decent, but that's I think Lyft is making us more money right now being new to town, so I'll keep that in mind. So y'all wanted to know if my tip jar was my new tip jar was making me any cash this evening at all that I'm going to be doing this review on. This is the Tipsters tip jar. And check this out right now. I'm going to turn it on with my remote control. Right now I've just got it on flash mode. I'm going to put it on red. Pick any color I want, really. And put it on some of these fades and flashes. But my favorite one of all is the ones that go to the beat of the music. Yes, it does make money. So, you know, waiting on them too, I am getting paid by the minute, which is like minuscule, but, you know, I'll be interested to see if they do tip in the app for waiting on them, and he also wants me to take them by the store too, so we'll see how that works. We got blocked by a train once on the way there, so, you know, I don't know how Lyft's rating system works right now, but I've been pretty nice to these people, so we'll at least hope I get 5 stars out of it. Are y'all going back to the same place? Or?
Can you stop me at this blue store right here?
Yeah.
I can get me a pack of cigarettes.
Yep.
Alright, we shall return.
Alright.
And then we're going back to the hotel.
Okay.
Is that who I think it is?
Who?
Right over there. Don't worry about it. Watch out.
Fucking weirdest Lyft ride I've had. Wonder how much this is going to add up to. I'm not taking these people very far, but they're making me wait. So I wonder how much I'm going to get for all that.
I'm not dealing with him. No. Alright, we're done.
Alright, we good.
Good to go.
Yes. Back to the hotel.
Good deal.
Now to my house.
We're going to your house?
Yeah, I need.
We're going to her house first.
Okay. Either address or directions, either one would be good.
Hold on. How do you work this thing? Is that gonna update? I don't know. We need to go to the funeral home.
To the funeral home?
Yeah, we need to go to Smith and Castle. Mom just texted me. Oh, where's the app? I don't even have the app. Oh, there we go. I got it. So how do you update? Wait a minute, hold on.
Which funeral home is it?
I think it's Smith and Gaston.
Lyft destination changed. Rerouting.
Might just be might have to be one of the ones you pull slow.
That's what I did on mine.
Toyota likes to. I guess that's part of their safety stuff there.
Oh, what year is it?
16.
Oh, geez, it's like 20,000.
We can't smoke in here?
Oh no. And that's just for the next passenger. You know what I'm saying? Like if some business suit dude gets in here and that smells like cigarettes. You know what I mean?
It says like on the app, no smoking in Uber or Lyft.
There's
Plus,
down.
he has a camera in the back seat. Look at that. You see that camera right there?
Oh, you're talking about the GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just like a vlogger, and like if something crazy happened, which it usually doesn't, you know.
You can't believe that me and her made love back here.
Oh my gosh, yeah, they're just crazy. So y'all just gonna get another Uber or Lyft after this? Or?
No.
It's gonna be the same. You're gonna be our guy.
I got you. How long is this gonna? I mean, just out of curiosity, how long is it gonna take? No. I mean, as long as it ain't an hour or something. You know what I'm saying?
I know, right? Because we're heading out of town. We're going to Orlando. Shit. Oh, you got to pick up somebody else too after this?
Yeah, but I mean, it's, like I said, I want to change the destination again back to the motel just so the app knows what everything going on.
Yeah.
Because it wants to know.
Which one's yours? Mine? Just mine and yours. Which one's yours?
That's the the worst thing for drivers is the GPS. That's the worst. That used to have like that restaurant Jitterbugs in it, didn't it?
Jitterbug? They had to close it because too many prostitutions were having too many people in prostitution.
Okay, I remember that. I remember them saying that now. And Jitterbugs was like a place you would go.
The guy was 52, and the girl was 19.
Dang. Yeah.
They weren't prostitutes. They were like in a relationship.
Wow.
And the dude said the girl's 19. I was like, she's too young for him.
Yeah, she didn't even know what she was doing.
It's like, I was in there one year. I was like, you're 19. She just said, that's not good. I said, you know what? Get away from him. He's too old.
Yeah.
Get away from him because he knows what he wants. If you don't do it, he will force you. Get away now. Don't listen. Okay. We got your ID. Where's my drink?
Right here.
We need to get it and get in there and get my stuff. We need to get it. Because I'm going to use...
We're leaving here at 2.
Huh?
Well, we're leaving here at 2.
Now? Yeah, 2. Yeah, what time is it now?
12:08.
Yeah, we got to eat.
Are y'all good?
Alright, see you later. My name's Jonathan.
Some deep. All right, Jonathan. Here's your phone charger.
Oh, thanks. There you go.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Fuck off my clock. Dang.